Have you ever wondered if those online financial tools are really as accurate as they claim? Today, we're diving deep into one of the most popular ones, Borrowell. Specifically, we're going to tackle the burning question, is Borrowell accurate according to Reddit? Imagine this, you're sitting at your desk, feeling a little overwhelmed by debt. You decide to give Borrowell a shot, hoping it can provide some clarity. You input your information, hit submit, and a few moments later, there's your credit score. But is it really accurate? Let's find out. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly understand what Borrowell is and how it works. Borrowell is a Canadian financial technology company that offers a variety of services, including credit score monitoring, pre-approved credit cards, and personal loans. One of its most popular features is its free credit score check. Now, why Reddit? Well, Reddit is a massive online community where people discuss everything from the mundane to the extraordinary. And when it comes to personal finance, Redditors are often very active and vocal. They share their experiences, ask questions, and provide advice to one another. Diving into Reddit. Let's take a look at what Redditors are saying about Borrowell's accuracy. One common theme is that people are generally satisfied with the accuracy of Borrowell's credit score. Many users report that the score they get from Borrowell matches closely with the score they get from their credit bureau. However, there are also some users who have reported discrepancies between Borrowell's score and their credit bureau's score. These discrepancies can be caused by a variety of factors, such as data errors or differences in the way the two entities calculate credit scores. Analyzing the discrepancies. So, what should you do if you find a discrepancy between Borrowell's score and your credit bureau's score? The first thing to do is to check for any errors in your credit report. If you find any errors, dispute them with the credit bureau. If there are no errors in your credit report, it's possible that the discrepancy is due to differences in the way Borrowell and the credit bureau calculate credit scores. In this case, you may want to contact Borrowell's customer support to discuss the issue. Additional factors to consider. Beyond the accuracy of the credit score itself, there are other factors to consider when using Borrowell. For example, some users have reported that Borrowell's pre-approved credit card offers can be misleading. It's important to read the fine print carefully and understand the terms and conditions of any offers you receive. Additionally, some users have expressed concerns about Borrowell's privacy policies. It's important to be aware of how Borrowell collects and uses your personal information. So, is Borrowell accurate? Based on the evidence available on Reddit, it seems that Borrowell is generally accurate when it comes to providing credit scores. However, there can be discrepancies between Borrowell's score and your credit bureau's score. If you encounter any discrepancies, it's important to investigate the cause and take appropriate action. It's also important to consider other factors, such as the accuracy of pre-approved credit card offers and Borrowell's privacy policies. By understanding the pros and cons of using Borrowell, you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's the right tool for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.